Hi, I'm Advocate Kamya. Today we're going to understand about power of attorney. What is power of attorney? Power of attorney is a legal document which gives authority to one person from another person to act on behalf. So the person giving the authority is called as principal, and the person receiving the authority is called as an agent. Now, who can make power of attorney? Power of attorney can be made by anyone who is of the age of 18 or above with a sound mind. Now, in line of understanding about power of attorney, let's also talk about a landmark judgment given by Supreme Court of India on scope and validity of power of attorney. On 6th of June 2023, in Kancham versus Yogendra Rathi's case, it was held that power of attorney cannot be recognized as a title or a document in case of immovable property. Also, it mandated that all the power of attorney in cases of immovable properties has to be registered. Now, moving on to types of power of attorney. Now, the first one is general power of attorney. General power of attorney is a broad authority given to the agent by the principal. For example, the principal authorizes the agent to handle all his legal matters, finances, and business. So this is a broader category, broader authority. Now the next one is special or limited power of attorney. As the name suggests, it gives limited authority to the agent. For example, that the principal authorizes the agent to handle all his finances till 2028. So this is a limited authority that the principal has given to the agent. Now, moving on, the next is durable power of attorney. Now, durable power of attorney is also like general power of attorney. It becomes effective immediately once it is made, and it continues. It even continues once the principal is mentally incapacitated. Now, next is springing power of attorney. Springing power of attorney only comes in effect on the occurrence of a special event, and it's usually made it usually comes in effect once the person or the principal becomes mentally incapacitated. Now, next is medical or healthcare power of attorney. Now, medical or healthcare power of attorney gives the agent an authority to make decisions on behalf of the principal on medical conditions when the principal is not in the condition to do so. As we have talked about living will in my previous video, so the testator who is making the living will can also make a healthcare power of attorney through which he can appoint an agent who can, once the person is not in a medical condition, to give his own consent, this healthcare power of attorney, the agent, will be able to deliver hand over this will to the doctor or the medical practitioner as and when required. Now, the key considerations while making a power of attorney. The first one is choice. That is very important while making a power of attorney. The choice of correct agent. The agent that you're choosing should be trustworthy, which is a very important factor. The next is revocation. Now, the principal can revoke the power of attorney any point of time till the time he or she is of sound mind. The power of attorney, while you're revoking, it should be mandatorily in writing, and it should also be conveyed to everyone who is actually relying on power of attorney. That's all about power of attorney. For more details about power of attorney, please contact on the number mentioned below. Thank you.